Image galleries are a great way to showcase portfolios or multiple images for visitors to flip through at their own leisure. Our galleries now have the ability to move the gallery arrow sliders on the outside of the image gallery, giving it a clean and organized look. To begin, click on the Design tool and navigate to the page housing the image gallery you'd like to edit. Once there, click on the image gallery and redirect your attention to the right-hand side of the preview where the design options are. Beneath the Type dropdown, select the box that has Display Gallery Arrows outside of image to make your arrows appear outside and not on top of your images. Once finished, be sure to click the green Save button at the bottom of the right-hand side panel to save all of your changes. Then you're ready to publish your website. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is support@gospacecraft.com. More articles and videos are available at support.gospacecraft.com.